So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the day 9 of the AI Agents Voice Challenge, and this video is specifically regarding the submission guide for the day 9. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and to hype the video. Also, you can see the solution guide for the day 9 is already available on the channel. You can just check it out. In this video, we'll just submit it. So here, how we have to submit. First of all, come to the main GitHub repo over here, which I've shared in the description box. Now click on your profile, open repository. I know by now you must have known how to fork a repository and how to do all the things. Now here you have to simply open over here and just create a new branch. That is day 9. Okay, day 9, and just click on create branch. Now here we have completed up to day 9 and day 10 is approaching, and after that how to order the hoodie, what is the criteria to get the hoodie, all things will be covered in the upcoming video, so just wait for it. Now here you have to come to the backend folder, then again src, and here open the agent.py, click on this pencil icon, come over here, and here you can see one file name as above, agent.py, same structure, backend src agent.py. Just select entire content, come over here and paste it. And many of you are asking that we are just pushing directly from the VS Code itself, so is there any issue? No, this is the simplified method that anyone can understand. That's why I'm making a tutorial simple. Now simply click on commit changes, and here we have to add a JSON file also. So for that, come over here to the src page and just click on this create new file. And for the src file, okay, what you need to do, you have to just add the order.json, orders, wait a second, orders.json, and come over here in the order.json file. If you just scroll down and if you are able to see over here, it's present over here only, I think so. So it's here. Okay, like this you have to see in the test folder it is available. So just copy it like this and just paste over here, commit changes, okay, and just create it. Here you can see all the files are available over here. Now just come to the backend and just come to the home page, and here you can see it's day 9. Just copy this URL and just paste over here in the GitHub repo link. Now for the LinkedIn post, you must have posted it. You have to simply post the demo video. For that, you can just check out this GitHub repo. Just click on these three dots, copy the link, paste over here, and just copy your email address which you used while registration, and just click on submit, fill the captcha. It's very easy. Like this, you have to fill the captcha and just verify it. Wait a second, let me verify. Yes, it has been submitted. Now, if you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. And if you want Google Cloud Arcade facts, you can check the roadmap video too. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.